On our jobs, there's usually always someone we look up to because of their work ethic and attitude. At the Boone County Schools Transportation Department, that would be White Fleet mechanic Mike Grout.
Mike's one of these guys that, rain or shine, I don't care if it's 10 below or 110 out, he's out here in the shop doing his thing.
He will do anything that I ask him to do. He never complains. He's just that type of a person. If we had a breakdown or something like that, he was Johnny on the spot.
But breakdowns in the fleet are rare these days because Mr. Grout had an idea not long after he was hired.
Mike helped lead the department, along with some others, in helping develop what we call a sound corrective maintenance and a preventive maintenance program.
So I kind of put a program together on my own of scheduling them in it's every 3 months I have them come in. Just a quick check over, and that seems to have worked. Got them better shape, they don't break down. I think they look a little bit better, they're more dependable, and they last long also.
Mike takes pride in his work, and he keeps an organized record of what is done, what needs to be completed, and when.
He helped teach me how to maintain the motor pool vehicles and how to communicate with who's in charge. He knew everything. So he really put me at ease in that position by guiding me where things needed to go, how things needed to happen.
The industry standard is one mechanic typically to 25 vehicles. Well, Mike's maintaining 75 vehicles. So he's doing about 3 times. So I used to kid him a little bit about having a t-shirt with a big S on it for Superman, because he's doing the work of about 3 men in a lot of cases.
He cares more than most. He actually puts his heart into what he does. And I really appreciate having had the opportunity to work with him. And I wouldn't trade my time with him for anything.
I'm a person that likes figuring out problems as well as using my hands. And I've been doing it now for 42 years. I love what I do.
Congratulations, Mike. You deserve it. You'll be missed. I mean, you're a good employee.
Mike, I just want to say congratulations on the Break the Mold. You're well deserving of it, and I just want to say thank you for all that you've done for me and for my department while you were taking care of all of our equipment. And have a great retirement.
Hey Mike, congratulations on the Break the Mold. I don't know anybody more worthy of it than you. You've done a great job and you've been a great friend to me. Congratulations.
Mike, congratulations again on the Break the Mold Award winner. You're the reason why this district is so successful. A lot of the work that's done behind the scenes to keep everybody up and running and moving. And it's been a real pleasure, and we're going to sorely miss you out here in the shop. So good luck, Mike, and all your future travels and adventures.